In honor of World Oceans Day, Nickelodeon is partnering with the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County and Ocean Conservancy to learn all about the science of SpongeBob.
I wish to learn at the feet of the master!
And while things may seem great down in the deep blue sea,
life is good!
There are actually several threats to our ocean due to climate change and pollution. In fact, every minute, more than a garbage truck worth of plastics enter our aquatic ecosystem.
People that litter really bug me.
This is a big problem, since the ocean covers over 70% of the Earth's surface. Not to mention, the ocean produces half of the oxygen that we breathe.
Really?
Yes, really.
So let's check in with some of the museum's top scientists to hear what they have to say.
With all of the humans on Earth, right, nearly around 8 billion of us, although the ocean is large, it's not so large that it completely dilutes our pollution and our plastic trash.
If we can cut down on buying plastics and not creating such a demand, that would help.
Someone's not separating their recycling. Let's ride!
Microplastics are very tiny pieces of plastic, and they are pervasive throughout the environment. They mostly come from runoff or from people just leaving trash in the ocean.
Don't try to eat it. It's plastic.
Microplastics are found everywhere. They're finding it in the Mariana Trench, which is the deepest place on Earth. And they're finding it not only in the trench, but they're finding it in animals.
Yeah, got that right. But are there any examples of ways humans have been able to help the ocean?
An example of a conservation success story are baleen whales. They were hunted so much that the different species could not keep up. But in the 60s, people started worrying about whales. They started protecting them, and populations have mostly, for the most part, bounced back.
So change is possible. Use your voice. Talk to your friends, family, and classmates about ways to be more climate friendly.
If all of us could reduce our impact on the ocean by using less plastic and making sure that our trash goes where it's supposed to, would help the ocean be a healthier place for the animals that live there.
These small steps can make a big difference in saving our ocean and keeping Bikini Bottom beautiful.
If we're gonna get out of this, we gotta work together.
Check back in for more Science of SpongeBob, brought to you by the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County and Nickelodeon.